What's up, guys? Uncle John here from unclejonssoap.com. This morning, sorry about the shaking. I gotta stop touching the counter. This morning, I was reading through a Facebook thread, and a lady was asking, she's a soap maker, and she was asking about an email that she got. She got an email from somebody that was asking, about her products, how much shipping would cost, or how much the products would cost if she takes credit card. So I know where it was going, and this is definitely a scam, guys. You got to watch out for this, and don't feel stupid for asking. But you see anything that's weird or something you've never dealt with before, always ask other people, because I guarantee you there's at least someone in your circle of friends, or someone in a in some group you're on Facebook or anything, that will have run across this at least a few times. And I get several of these a week. So let me read you the sample email. So, hello, I want to place an order from you to our store here in Belgium. I will like to know if you can ship here, and I would like to know if you accept credit card as form of payment. Reply back ASAP. And then, it's usually signed some false name from some false email address and things like that. And that's another thing to look for. Look for the original email address, the next email address. There will be several things that don't line up. So, and if you reply back and say, yeah, we take credit card and all that, they'll usually send you a quick follow-up. And these are all canned messages, all just copy and paste, basically. They're just forwarding them on. Thanks for your reply back. It is a pleasure receiving your reply back. I would like to order for the below items for my customers here. I want you to reply back with the total cost plus shipping quote. We are ready and can't wait to receive these wonderful products of yours here. Your utmost reply back with the total quote would be highly appreciated. Then they usually make a list, just kind of copy and paste it from your website. From their, they'll load the shopping cart probably, or something. And they'll have some exorbitant amount, thousands and thousands of dollars worth of items. The quickest way to see if they're BSing you, first of all, is go ahead and give them a full retail quote. Retail shipping and everything. Retail price on your soaps, just do it. Usually I will respond with, yes, we take credit cards. When I was messing with them. I don't even mess with them anymore. I just delete them. I would say, yes, we take credit cards. Here's our shipping quote. Here's the cost for the product. And like I said, I would usually put in a retail price, full retail. And, oh, that's great. That price works great. Well, first of all, then that means they're stupid, because nobody's going to pay retail in that quantity. Then they would say, but there's one catch. Not in that word, I'm paraphrasing, but, we would like to use our shipping company. And, so we will give us your information. We will send you a check. You cash the check to pay for the product, and the leftover is what you would pay our shipping company when they come to pick the stuff up. Red light. Don't do it. Don't even entertain it. None of the above. If you want to toy with these people, if you know what they're doing and all that, that's fine, but you got to be careful. If there's a link or something that you come across, then it could potentially do something harmful to your computer. Hey, my daughter's here. So, guys, like I said, not everybody has run across this scam before, and if you're brand new, that's great. It's exciting to get big orders and things like that, or requests for big orders and lots of products, but, don't fall for it. I'm telling you, this is an easy one to spot. It's sort of like the Nigerian, prince scam that has been around since I first started using the internet. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you have anything to add to this, that's great. But if they're not on the level, they're going to start playing that game of, we'll send you a check that you can cash when the leftover will be. Don't do that, because as soon as they get your information, they either stop payment on the check before it can clear, or once they've got the products, they'll do a reversal of some sort, or it's just a straight up fake check and the products are on their way. Your bank gave you the cash, but then pulled it back once they realized it was fraudulent. Some people can write checks so that they look so real, even to banks. So don't even play that game, guys. One helpful tip for me is, when I do have international customers that do order any kind of wholesale, they pay me through PayPal, goods and services. So they pay the fee, and it's legit. So, and they know what the wholesale prices should be. They're not ordering thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff. So just stuff to keep an eye out for. All right, hope that was helpful. You can leave me a comment, like I said. email me at unclejonssoap@gmail.com. You can visit our website and get a hold of us through there, unclejonssoap.com. All right, guys. Oh, yeah. If you got something out of this, go ahead and click subscribe, and the little bell icon so you don't miss anything on the next run. See you.